Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check OS build of Windows 10 or 11. So very simple and basic way. Click on start, then settings. Whether you are using Windows 10 or 11, just open the settings and in this left side panel in the last you will see about. So just open it. Once you see about, click on it and in about section you will see processor, installation, RAM, device ID, product ID, and also guys you can see here OS build. So this is the my OS build number 19044401826. It can be different in your system. So this is the basic way to find out and get information about your PC. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And if you are using Windows 11, so you will see first option system. Click on system and scroll down. So in the last you will see about. So where there you will find this information. So thanks for watching.